रिश्तों की पूजा जहाँ कहानी घर घर की. और स्मृति ईरानी जी. So tell us about the kitchen, Mitra.
It's a new setup.
Yeah.
We have moved in here. The owner has given us all this with a hefty price, obviously. We're trying to improvise, change the colors and all. Let's see. Thank you.
You to Mitra's crib. This is another. This is
It's a quite
590 square feet.
It's a quite small living, but we have made our living here. Do not judge me. No, here I have better chair.
Okay.
Lekhata pie.
Okay.
And this is foldable dining. No, not foldable.
Not foldable. Nice kitchen space out there.
Then we order farmhouse and prepare again.
Tell us about the bedroom.
It's a small place, but you can manage. You can see the record.
Could you please sit on the?
No, I already said. It's very comfy. It's a big.
Show us the wardrobe.
The wardrobe is a sliding wardrobe.
Awesome. What about that part?
We have just moved in.
Okay. And that part? What about that part? That side?
This is where I keep my nothing. I keep nothing right now.
Again the mirror.
And the small plants, that is artificial. It's the utility from Osho. It's attached.
This one is nice. Yes. That's it. Today we have come to IKEA and our guest of honor Mitra will give us a tour of his future room. So tell us something about.
It's not my room. I'm just giving you a normal scenario.
Yeah, give us the scenario. Explain. So
the living room, it's the dining space. That's it. Now you come to my bedroom.
Okay.
Not bedroom, it's another living room.
Okay.
My room is quite big. My house is quite big, sorry.
So it has got, your house has got 2 living rooms, 5 living rooms.
What a material of it.
Now what is that material?
I don't know. Cardboard. It's where I play my PlayStations and all. Normally call guests for playing FIFA. Look at that. Call guests.
So give us a tour, Mitra.
This is not my room.
Give us a tour.
No, sorry. Chal. Hey. 720.
next thing that we are going to make
Cupcakes.
is cupcakes. So cupcakes are ready. You have to bake them for
Ready, but you have to
half an
bake them. Huh?
half an hour. You have to keep them inside and bake them for 30 minutes.
Okay. It's ready, I guess.
Yeah. So it's
Very
not
good.
ready.
It's been 30 minutes already. Oh, it's hot.
See,
We'll see the cupcake now.
again.
It's clear cupcakes. Oh, it's an astonishing achievement.
Yeah. Welcome to our kitchen. So guys, today I'll be showing you how to
Soup.
make, yeah, soup broth.
It's already made.
So I'll show you. This will be the first time in the world that the smell will be recorded in the camera.
Yes, yes. It will be artificially given.
This soup, it has got one unique quality.
We'll see the soup.
Yeah.
Yes.
You cannot see the soup.
It's clear soup.
Yeah.